Well, the RV season is upon us, and if you're in the market for a killer RV, there are a variety of shows across the country that you can visit to check them out, or dealerships that are close to you. And this is the Durango, and this is their Gold. It's one of the largest ones they make. And if you look at RVs in the market, there's fifth wheels, there's travel trailers, there's Class Bs, Class As, Class Cs. This one right here is a fifth wheel, but it's a little bit different. It's not a toy hauler. This one's meant for, I think, like longer stays at an RV park that allow you to enjoy more of your time. So we're going to talk to my good friend Steve Schumacher. He is the regional sales manager with KZ. And the first thing I said, thanks for joining us.
No problem.
First thing I said was, man, this thing is awesome.
What's really nice on it is it takes a regular fifth wheel, makes it a mid-bunk, but we also add a patio on the back, which nobody else in this industry does. So it's kind of not exclusive, but something that we do unique. And it gives you the best of both worlds. You can be inside the coach, you can be on the outside the coach while you're camping. So exterior, gel coat sidewalls, large pass-through storage in the front side there, double awnings, Cooper tires. We do things a little differently, some others that we use Asdel on our back walls and our side walls, and nice new entrance steps in here with a nice grab handle, which is really nice. A lot of guys don't do that kind of grab handle.
I got to show you guys something really fast. Come over here, come with me, Steve. In the auto industry, we call them Easter eggs, and those are fun little things that you find on a vehicle that surprise you. And so I got to show you this one right here. Tucked away inside this hatch is a little JBL speaker with a connection point, so that you, instead of having your speakers mounted on the outside, you have a nice little portable JBL that not only can be affixed to the side of the RV, but you can pull it out and put it on the table, which is awesome.
And it's waterproof.
Waterproof too, so
yep.
Just a fun little Easter egg. All right, we got to go inside. I want to show you the inside of this thing because it is amazing. Go for it, I'll follow you in. This one, man, when I look at this, just the attention to detail. Give me the layout. What are we looking at
So
in here?
natural wood, it's an ash baked wood, it's hardwood here on the sides on this here. This is all hardwood in the front, hardwood up here. We use a microwave convection. We have a residential, we call it apartment style, but with more residential style oven and stovetop. So you can cook a big turkey inside of it. Large residential refrigerator, which we use in there. So it's with a 2,000 watt inverter, a lot of that go there. We also on the back side here, one cool thing that we do on the Durango Gold side, we do have a dishwasher. A large dishwasher.
That's cool.
So you do have a really nice feature in that regard.
You got a lot of entertaining space over here. You got the big
theater
comfortable
seats, yep.
theater seats. You've got two. Are these recliners
Yep.
as well?
Yep.
So these recline, and
Yep.
what's great about it is they move around.
Swivel rocker, yep.
We got to go out here and check
out on the
this out.
patio.
This is a big deal to me. In California, a lot of people that have fifth wheels, they back them up on the coast.
Yep.
And they're on a big, they're on a big cliff, and these just kind of sit, and you get such a beautiful look of the ocean.
View.
Give me the layout. What are we looking at?
So you're 8 foot more additional space on the back of the coach. You do have a plug, so you can run a TV out here. They're all enclosed, which is nice. We do have steps that will go off to the side. Rear awning, so you can put an awning over top.
Protect yourself, yeah.
Protect myself from the sun and or the rain. But it's great with people with dogs. They can let the dogs come out, get some fresh air. You can sit out here, like you said, enjoy that view of the coast, the mountains,
and
all the campground type
We're
features.
looking at 42 feet in length,
Yep.
right? And then with this,
50
what
foot.
are we looking at?
50.
Okay, cool. All right.
And it does lay down. So if a guy
Oh.
does want to put something longer in there or access to it, you can lay it to the ground, kind of like a
then
toy hauler does,
bring
and
it in.
walk it right up inside there.
Awesome. I got to show you all this really cool feature in here. So check this out. Once you slide off the kitchen, you've got bunk beds in here. So this will drop down.
Yep.
And you just unpop these. Look at that right there. You got a nice little bed space here. You've got the couch down here. Now, does this couch convert?
Into a bed, yep.
Okay, perfect.
And then you do also have on this side a
Office.
desk, so you can have a full desk on this side and an office, yep.
One thing we learned about COVID is that people work from the road.
Correct.
And they continue to do that now. This would be a great little workspace, and you're close to the kitchen.
And also homeschooling. We're seeing a lot of people homeschool. This is a mid-bunk coach, which is what this is called here. So you can use it office and bunk, plus it has a loft above, which is another place for people to sleep. Or we've seen a lot of grandparents buy them, and they're going ahead and using this up above as storage.
So here's the loft. Check this out up here. You got some steps. You just pop yourself up in here. Kids will play up here, sleep up here, storage, everything that you want from a functionality standpoint, you've got it.
Yep.
We're gonna do the old mic test. You got plenty of space in the shower, enough headroom, storage over here, toilet, sink, perfect.
When you get back to the bedroom, one of the cool things that we do what we call a power elevated bed. So we have it up in the elevation position. So many people sleep in an elevated position. It's easier, it's better for their hearts, easier to sleep, less snoring. And also when you're laying in bed, you can watch the TV across from it. And we do also include a fireplace over here, which is standard. So it can lay flat, can be elevated, completely fun. It just depends on what it goes there.
So much functionality, and of course it's ready for
washer and dryer prep on this side. So you can do a stackable washer and dryer over here. Nice large hamper.
tons of storage.
Storage on that side, and on this side over here, little shoe rack, obviously with space up above.
Oh, I love it. All right, so what are we talking about on price with this, Steve?
You're about, MSRP is about $165.
And are they available now?
Absolutely.
Where would people go find more information on this product and the rest of your products?
Any of the KZ Durango brands out there, or a KZ Durango product on our website, kz-rv.com. You can find it there and do a dealer locator to find them anywhere. But we have approximately 420 places across the country, easily to find one out there.
If you're in the market for a fifth wheel, this could be the one. I know that I really like it, the KZ Durango Gold.